Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're back today. We're gonna clean up the engine bay here. Flip this around. So we're gonna try and clean all this up so it looks good before I start putting in the harness. Just want to tidy it up. Got some degreaser pail with some water in it. So hopefully we can get this bitch looking good. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do a quick time lapse of me just cleaning this shit up, basically. So see you guys in a bit. Oh, cleaned it up a little bit. It's as good as it's gonna get for now. I don't want it to be perfect anyways, just because it's gonna be getting resprayed eventually. So I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys what we got going on. Okay. So note to self: get a plastic trim tool. Yeah, kind of fucked some of that up, but all together, I mean, all in all, it looks a lot better, right? Over here we got some more shine and shit, not as gunky and stuff. So gonna touch up down there a little more, maybe over there, but a little bit more on the sides here. But at least it looks better, you know. I'm like okay with this for now until this thing gets repainted. It doesn't have to be like perfect, but it looks a lot more better. Holy fuck, am I retarded? It looks a lot better than what it was. So we're probably gonna do another time-lapse video here in a second of me routing this harness to the inside and then getting the dash bar in. So see you guys in a bit. All right, so as you can see, fuse box is there. Oh, not in place, but it's there, it's routed. All this has to go down under. That's for the ECU. We have all this in, that routed through there, and then these pieces come across over here. That's already, hang on, get in there. That's already routed in there, see right there. And this comes up, bend over, and then down. So now I can fit this all the way in that boot and then start putting in the dash and shit. Put this back and stuff. So we'll do a time lapse of that. We're just gonna clean up the interior because the interior is really dirty. So we're gonna take a look at the interior real quick and get a video of us cleaning that up because oh, this shit is nasty. Hold on. You see, like, lots of dust here and shit, you know? Like, it's just not the greatest. So, I mean, hopefully we can clean some of these up. I want to look if maybe these filters are replaceable that are in here. So, replace that, clean all these up too, and yeah, get the dash bar in, clip it in right there, and put those 2 bolts in over here. So, and those 2 over there too. So we'll do a time-lapse video of that. I'm just gonna clear out this mess in the car. Me and my wife are gonna have a crack at it. See you guys in a bit. What's going on, guys? We're back here. Got the lady friend here with me, my beautiful wife. We're gonna give the interior a quick wipe down and get all this cleaned up before we put in the dash bar. So probably gonna do a quick time-lapse video of us just cleaning all of this. So I gotta, like, you can see all the dust and stuff. It's what?
Disgusting.
All right. You heard the wife, so we gotta clean this shit. Look, she's already given it a couple wipe downs. We gotta really take care of all this shit. Some there, some there. And then after, we're gonna do what? Once we're done cleaning? Come on. I'll give you a hint. Dash.
The dash bar.
There you go. All right. Good job. All right, guys. We're going to see you guys in a couple seconds. We're going to do the time-lapse video now. Okay, now we're gonna put in the dash bar. We're gonna time lapse that right now. So we got the dash bar in. Thank you.
Hey.
We got it in, as you guys can see. Type R dash bar lines up perfectly. All thanks to my baby. Teamwork is the dream work, mother truckers. All right, guys. I think this concludes
Today's episode.
Exactly, and then
Of tomfoolery.
maybe tomorrow we'll start putting the dash together and wiring everything up. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
You guys heard it. Happy wife, happy life. She's the foreman of this operation. I'm just a fucking laborer. I don't know shit. Till next time, guys.